Okay, so we are stuck at home with the community quarantine. We have lots of time to do our projects. So what you see here are my motorcycle carry. These used to be inside this bag stored under my motorcycle seat. So our project is to transfer all of these into this Pelican case for some organization. Okay, so we start off with these. These are tire puncture kits. So these tools are used to remove and install a tire patch, which are these things. Hopefully I don't get to use them. So you use some kind of a rubber solution on them, just like rugby, to cover them up. We have the spark plug remover, spark plug tool remover, and the adjuster. These came from the motorcycle. Screwdriver set. Put it there. Okay. Then we have a couple of Swiss Tech needle nose plier, folding needle nose plier, and the small pliers here. So these are multi-tools. You have small tools there. Of course, we have zip ties. You're supposed to have all of these ready with you. You don't know when you'll be needing to tie something off that during emergency. The battery tender, install it in it's a system. The battery tender is a system. This is a USB port to charge all those gadgets just in case of emergencies. There's this small Allen wrench wrench that I have. It's very handy. Of course, it's compatible with most of the Allens that I use in my motorcycle. Work gloves. You really need to have these in case you need to do something dirty. So yeah, it's good to have them. Waterproof case, lock sack, waterproof zip bag, just in case you need to. The trains and the mobile phone needs to have some protection. So these are all, of course, let's bring back the silica gel. So I think this is a better alternative than the bag. Of course, I'm gonna put this inside the bag for added protection. The tire pump stays outside, and yeah, that's it. The Pelican 1040 case stored all of my motorcycle carry in a neat and organized package. Thank you.